SkiResort is an iPhone application. It is a summer guide for Mammoth Lakes. For using the application, you need to click on the icon. Now, we are on the main screen. As you may see, there are 15 icons on the screen as About, Weather, April and Nightlife, On Mountain, Dining, Shopping, Deals, Events, Maps, News, Activities, Getting Around, Health and Wellness, Lodging and Family. To start with the application, you need to click on About. You would get a menu. To get the details of information of Mammoth, just click on the About Mammoth. To have the stats of information, you need to click on Mountain Stat. If you want to have the important number of the area, just click on the important number. There is a call button, and if you want to call on that place, just click on that. To have the information of Mammoth Lakes, just click on the Mammoth Lakes Chamber of Commerce. To get the list of Mammoth Visitors Center, you need to click on Mammoth Visitor Center. To leave the suggestion and feedback, just click on the suggestion and feedback and press back button to get back to the main menu. If you want to know the current weather details of the place, just click on weather icon and press back button to return. To have the details of nightlife, just click on the apes and nightlife and you would get a list. Choose bars out of the list to have the list of bars. Choosing one of them, you would get the GPS location of that particular bar on Google Map. Clicking on the corresponding arrow button of the bar, you would get the complete information of that particular bar. Just click back button to return to the back. Choose lounges and clubs to have the list of lounges and clubs. To call on those particular lounges and clubs, just click on call button and press back to return. Now repeat the same process for pubs, tasting rooms, wine bars and suggestion and feedback. Now click back to return. To have the details of mountain, you need to click on mountain. There would be a list. Click on the ape sky to have the list of ape sky. To call off one of them, just click on the call button and click on back button to return. To have the details of restaurants, you need to click on the restaurants and repeat the same process that we have done before. Click on the back button to get back to the main screen. If you want to have the information of food, just click on the dining. There would be a list of categorized food. To have the information of one of them, choose one out of the list and you would get a list of restaurants for that particular food. To call on that particular restaurant, just click on the call button and press back button to return. And to repeat the same process for remaining food categories and press back button to get back to the main screen. If you want to shop and want to have the details of shopping stations, just click on shopping icon and get the list of product category. Choose one of them and you would get the list of shopping stations for chosen category and press back button to return. To have the list of deals, just click on deals and choose one of them and get the details for free lift. Click on the back button to return. If you want to have the events detail, just click on the events and get the details of different events in the form of list. Now click on the back button to return. To have the map of Mammoth, you need to click on map. You would be shown different routes on the mountain and then press the back button to return. To have the latest news for the mountain, just click on the news and get the latest in the form of list. Press the back button to return. If you want to know the activities which occur on Mammoth, just click on the activities. You would get a list of activities. Choose one of them and you would get the right place for that chosen activity along with the related other details. Press back button to get back to the main screen. If you want to know that how may we reach to Mammoth from a place around, just click on Getting Around and get the list of places which are around the Mammoth. Choose the required one and have the details of how to reach from chosen place to the Mammoth. Now click on back button to get back to the main screen. To have the details for health and wellness, just click on health and wellness. You would get the list of health stations. Choose one of them and get the details for chosen station. To call on that station, just click on the call button and press back button to return. To have the lodging facilities, you need to click on lodging and you will get the list of different categories of lodge. Choose one of them and get the list for selected lodge. To call on that lodge, just click on the call button and then press back button to return. If you are going there with your family and want to have family entertainment places, you need to click on family and get the list of category stations. Choose one of them and get the list of chosen station. To call on the station, you need to click on the call button and then press back button to get back to the main screen. This is how SkiResort iPhone application works for you.